it's Thanksgiving Day, and that is the smoke and ash. Well, that's the ash from high winds from the prior Bobcat Fires. Could hardly see the mountains, right? I mean, the mountains are straight ahead. There's no visible, and all that's from the ash, dust, smoke, but it's ash too from the fires. Very unhealthful air. Technically, the mountains are there, and straight ahead, that should be a mountain there. All you see is dust and ash from the Bobcat Fires. It's not a pretty sight. It's very unhealthful. Don't recommend doing any outdoor activities. Yeah, I had washed my car yesterday, and it's already getting dusty. Okay, are you gonna stop? Big car. Yeah, it stopped. Thinking it is one of them cats, red eye perhaps. Not gonna mention the first word. Not sure it could be pronounced on YouTube or mentioned. Yeah, thanks for viewing. Basically, I'm just going home. No real plans. Everybody's on lockdown, so thanks very much for viewing. That's a sun, and if you like my content and want to hear any more details, luckily I didn't replace my air filter on the car yet, because yeah, this dust and ash won't help. New filter. You want to continue, if you want to hear any more content regarding the car or air quality in Southern California, let me know. You can make a comment if you want to hear, and if you want to see more content, subscribe and hit the notification bell below. You could even click on my icon where you can see me jumping, whatever. That'll help you get into the subscribe. And on the right side, it'll recommend you to other playlists on my adventures. Thank you for viewing, and that's the sun. I'll leave you with that. Bye.